I am Don Gittins, CEO of Manpower Maintenance Services Limited Group. On behalf of the entire team at Manpower Maintenance Services Limited, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to all exhibitors, sponsors, and buyers. We are thrilled to once again partner with the JMEA as the official cleaning and sanitation partner for this prestigious event. Some of you may remember that we had the honor of serving in this capacity in 2023. The event was a success, not only in showcasing Jamaica's vibrant business sector, but also in maintaining the highest standards of cleanliness and hygiene, ensuring a safe and welcoming environment for all. Let us come together to make the JMEA Expo 2025 an unforgettable celebration of collaboration, innovation, and excellence that sets new standards for years to come. Let's make JMEA Expo 2025 a phenomenal success together.